We do have work to do today, but I can't let this take a long time. So let's go ahead and get busy. Good to see everybody. This is the trading room. Let's share my screen. I put in an order this morning, Joe, to see if we could get filled to close SGOV at 100.67. Was not, and that's fine. Not yet, at least. So we'll go adjust that to make it 100.66. Now, here's the thing. I could absolutely spend a lot of time discussing what this is today. Lucky Chevy got out. That's good. Discussing what the plan is for today, but I really don't have time. So here's what we're going to do. We're in SGOV, right? Wait in SGOV until something new shows up. So now what we're going to do is the SGOV rollover today. We're going to sell all holdings of SGOV on the last calendar day of the trading month. Now, this is the outlier portfolio. And I had here. This is the outlier portfolio manager. I'm off by about $600 in here, and I can't figure out why. So this is what I've been spending a little bit of time trying to like reconcile it. And I really don't know where I got off. So if you guys figure out where I got off, let me know. But yeah, this is showing around 51,230. And in the outlier fund account, it's actually at 50. Where is it? Hang on. Account view. There we go. We are at 55.95. So yeah, I don't know exactly where I got off about $600-700, but we'll get it figured out. Don't stress about that. Anyways, so the plan is to close and then reopen. Now, David, I appreciate you working on that, but I also took care of partial entries and partial exits. I've been trading for a minute. And so if you want, down here at the bottom, there's a stock calculation helper to know where you get in and where you get out. And it should balance you down to the exact average entry price and average exit price, as long as you balance to zero. So that should be put in there. But yeah, I'm off somewhere. We'll figure it out. It may be maybe something like that. Either way. So we're going to sell and then tomorrow buy back SGOV because we're still in sit and cash and don't F up. We're still in sit and cash and don't F up. Hang on. Josh says, drag down your balance formula from row 2. Oh, maybe it's just a formula thing. Maybe it is just that simple. Oh. That's definitely not right. Let's try that here. That's the same place. Okay. But yeah, we're going to sell at the top. I don't think we got $600 worth of fees. I definitely don't think that's the case, but I'll figure it out. Y'all don't stress on it. So we're going to sell at the top today, boy. Sell at the top today, boy. And then we're going to buy it back tomorrow. Now, I don't know how often we're going to do this, but we got to do it today. Got to do it today. So we're going to adjust it. We aren't filled just yet, and that's fine. Trading orders. We're going to change it from 100.67 to 100.66, hit replace, and we should be filled. There we go. Now, great question. What happens if you don't sell? Nothing. Right? What happens if you don't sell? Tomorrow, it'll go down by the amount of the dividend. I don't know exactly how much that's going to be, but it's going to go down somewhere around the 100.38 level. The second month in a row, selling at the top. Boy, very well said. It's going to come down somewhere in this level. And then in a few days, you will get a lump sum put into your account, a dividend, and then you just go buy back more SGOV. So there's nothing really wrong. So we're out. Okay. So we're going to change this to 100.66. And that's it. By the way, I was looking at this earlier. That's what sitting in cash and not effing up does to your portfolio while the market gets hurt. Skinny Buff guy says, is there a way to update the portfolio manager so we can log a single trade or we can scale in or out as one trade? That's the purpose of the stock calculation helper, right? And maybe I've messed up my math somewhere, but you put in the total quantity that you ended up with, right? So you can see that I put in multiple to get to 223. One of these. I think that was SPXL. Hang on. 223 SPXL 191. Oh, 223. That may have fixed us right there. There we are. That was it. Nice. I had the wrong number right there. That was it. Okay. Now we should be really. Pro tip, use the right number. Account view of 50,590. This is 50,666. So that is 50,590 minus 50,666. $76. And roughly how much I paid in fees and for the trade year $10 per month thing. There you go. We did it. Okay. So there you go, Skinny Buff Guy. Yeah. How fortuitous. Yeah. So that was it right there. That was exactly it. All right. So now we're back in balance. That's where I wanted to be. 1.33, all of 1.33% for the year, Joe. But I'm okay with that because remember, the year is long. There's a lot going on right now. And even though the market is rip roaring higher, Joe, what have I been saying? What have I been saying for 2 weeks now? Please enlighten me of what I've been saying for 2 weeks now.
That the trend is down. It's not a time to get in. If you're looking for prices to go up, sit in cash. You're going to find, if you try to go short, you're going to get hit by some pretty big green candles and it's going to hurt.
Yeah, for sure. The biggest up moves happen during the midst of downtrends. This is what we're seeing right here. If you're trying to short, it's hard because you can get hit with a big, nasty move like this today. The biggest rallies come in bear markets. This could be the bottom. Absolutely, it could be. And I'm sure that there's some YouTube guru out there, probably Gareth from Verified Investing, who's like, I'm such a genius. I bought it at the very bottom and it just goes right back up. You know what? By all means, show how verified you are, my friend. I'll continue to do my thing. You guys continue to do your thing. But I actually do need to run.